Man, what's going on, Tech fans? Man, glad to be back. Got a good one for us today. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And thank y'all for all the support y'all have given me. And let's keep it coming. Keep supporting. Let's keep rolling. Today I've gotten plenty of people ask me, what do I need to put this stock on? This AR stock. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do a complete disassemble of the T1, and hey, as y'all see, I've painted my T1. So I was watching Whisper Tactical, and he painted his AR JTS. Man, I thought it looked amazing. So here we go. How y'all think? Y'all think it looks all right? Y'all let me know in the comments. I like it. I really do. So we're gonna do a full disassemble and reassemble everything. So y'all ready? Man, all right, y'all. So we're gonna get started. Let's take it apart. The first thing, I'm gonna pop off the dust cover. Dust cover comes off like that. We're gonna pull that off. Oops. I don't have to get caught in the microphone. Gonna take the bolt out. Gotta pull the hammer down now. And there's the bolt. All right, so next thing. So my guy Mod Max showed me an easy way not to use another tool to pull this up with the bolt. All right, y'all, just like that, make it easy. So pop that up, and then here comes your top cover. That comes off, okay? Now let's take out the gas tube. Gas tube out. Gas plug. Turn to the 12 o'clock position. All right. There's your gas plug. All right, so now I'm gonna pop this off. All right, so let me get my hex. I got my hex right here. Let's pull this off. All right, y'all, so there's the rail. I mean, that's pretty bone dry right there, you know, outside of taking the handle off. But so now we do have the AR. Pop this off just like that, and that's my buffer tube. All right, so I'm going to put this in my vise, and I'm gonna pull it apart. I mean, y'all know how to use a buffer tube and take one off. Let's see. So I have my wrench, put it in my vise, loosen the castle nut, and then it'll all come off. So I'm gonna loosen it on my vise. I'll be right back, and then we'll take it apart. All right, y'all, so I loosened the castle nut, as you can see. So this is gonna unscrew all the way down, just like an AR. And then, boom, I'm gonna pop the little back plate off, move that with it. Let's see, just like that. Now, I can unscrew the whole buffer tube. Alright, make sure that's in the grooves so it unscrews easily. Get that out the way. All right, y'all, so this is the main piece right here. This is what everybody's questioning about. So this is the adapter. So there's 4 screws that I have to take out to pull this off. So we're gonna change the head and go to the Phillips. All right, then we're gonna unscrew the 2 in here. Hold it together. Alright, then the second one right here. So, okay. So the back plate, AR back plate, just like that, is what the buffer tube screws into. Now we're going to take these two screws. This is unscrewed all the way. It's the last one holding it in. All right, pull that out. That last screw. Let me see, a couple more turns. Now, put this last screw out there. All right, so that's how this AR buffer tube assembly goes on. So there's two holes, which these two screws go into, just like that. And then you screw your buffer tube on top. So y'all know YouTube, I can't put any links. However, maybe y'all shoot me an email and I'll shoot you a link on where to get this at. Pretty bare bones, y'all. I mean, there she is. Now, time to reassemble it. All right. All right. All right, we're gonna slide this in here, just like that. Put these two screws on. Da-da. There's one here. This one goes in right there. Oops. All right, get that started. Now let's put this second one in the back, like so. All right. And boy, you got to make sure this is tight. Don't tighten it too bad to where you strip it, but this got to be tight. All right, that down. And this one right here. Now, I hope this helps y'all. All right, so now I got it on. Now let's get it good and tight. All right, there it is. Okay, so now the back plate with the two screws slide right in here, just like that. And you're gonna screw these two in, just like so. Oh yeah, that's good and tight. That's almost perfect. All right. There it is, y'all. Now we're gonna screw the buffer tube assembly. Just like this. Make sure the back plate lines up on the little groove right there. Screw it all the way in. Or you're gonna screw it as far as it could go, I should say. That. All right, now let me find the little groove, which will be right here. Put that in the groove just like that. Make sure it's good and tight against the castle nut. Tighten it. goes in like that. Let's see. Make the little groove. Maybe I'll loosen it just a little bit. I can't see the groove. My lighting's not super good. I didn't want to blind y'all with my work light. All right. That goes there, and then we're going to tighten the castle nut just like this. Now, I'm not going to put the vise and all that, so all I got to do is tighten this castle nut on my vise with my AR tool. So let me do that real quick. All right, y'all, so I got it tightened castle nut from the vise. So now let's go ahead and put the stock on it, slide it on right here, and then you're gonna pull the tabs down. Boom, there it is, just like that. Done. All right, now let's reassemble. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bottom on just like this. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over just like that. Screw it on. Let me find my little screws here. There's one. I gotta change out the hex. All right, let's drop them in. There's one. Right. And I got one more screw to put in, y'all, and then the bottom is done. Make sure it's tight. All right, so that's the bottom. Now, let me see, let me open this back up a little bit and get it in there. All right, now we're gonna put the gas tube in. So gas tube pops right in just like this. The top rail slides right in here. All right, y'all, there we go. Pop that back down. All right, y'all, there's that. Now, I mean, really everybody knows what to do next. Time to put the bolt on. So let's assemble the bolt. All right, y'all, so this little piece I'm about to do right here took me a little while to figure out. This ain't the easiest part. A lot of aggravation putting this bolt on till you learn how to do it. So you got to make sure it lines up parallel and level. Put it in, bring it right across the hammer, set it down and back it up. Just like that. All right, let me do it again for y'all. All right, so set the bolt, put it in, go right over the hammer, set it down, bring it forward. Just like that, y'all. And there it is. Okay, so now let's put the gas tube back in. Remember, 12 o'clock position, it goes in, which would be this way. Right here. And then you pop it on the detent. Snaps right in, just like that. Boom, perfect. All right, now, spring. All right, there's that, and here's the dust cover. All right, y'all, there it is. Man, I hope this video helps some people. If y'all got any questions, shoot me down in the comments. Let me know anything I can help y'all with. I'm gonna be here. There's a couple of subscribers that, you know, I go the extra mile to try to help y'all. So, hey, if y'all need anything, let me know. Quick shout out to Whisper Tactical, JTS, Mod Max and the Mod Squad, Slim Fit Holsters, Iron Curtain Customs, Man, thank y'all. I appreciate it. Thank y'all, everybody, for the support. Like I said, I hope this helps, and man, y'all let me know. This is Cajun Tactical, y'all. I'm signing out, and I'll see y'all soon.